going on, everyone? Hope y'all can hear me. I'm loud and clear. Let's go. Let's pass the challenge. Wait, whoa. Let's see if I pass the challenge this morning. What's up, man? What's good, Sway? What's going on, Jam? Hold on, y'all. All right. Y'all know how we do, man. Dope vibes in here. Make sure everybody go like the video. Let's get this to 100 likes. I see everybody's trying to double there. What's up, Army Piper? What's going on, D? What's happening, Patrick? Just smash the like button. I appreciate that, Mike's house. Taj was good. Wyatt, what's going on? Good morning. Everybody, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. So, guys, today is a day of another great opportunity of making money, just like every day. I know a lot of people hate Mondays, but hey, I love Mondays. That's the day I start trading, even though it's not a Monday, right? It is midweek, is what I like to call this week. Wednesday, typically midweek, is the week where market is going to make its final decision to head in that direction. So that's kind of where we at right now with that. The spreads are insane. What spreads are we talking about? What you trading today? We're going to be looking at dollar. We're going to be looking to see what gold could be doing, NASDAQ, GU, Euro, all the yen pairs like GBP yen and Euro yen as well. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at the markets. Now, I did post a dollar signal, and I know a lot of people do not trade dollars, so it makes sense if we don't catch anything or if y'all don't trade this. But I am expecting dollar to for sure head up, right? Just overall, we have an increasing of price. Rally price is just increasing, but we do have a lot of liquidity all in this area here, so it would make sense for it to kind of stay in this area for a bit, and we can kind of see what could be expecting later down the road. But as far as now, I am expecting dollar to head up, that is for sure. And then let's see, I couldn't understand the full difference. Good morning. What's up, Henkel? Yeah, Henkel trade, you want to go with the ECN plus or the ECN, you can go with that. So yeah, we're expecting dollar to head up, guys. That's my overall bias. Like I said, we just got a lot of liquidity to take out. We do have diversions going on too. I am using the chart prime isolator here, but you know, hold on. But like I said, we do have divergence happening as well. And I am expecting dollar to head up for sure, you know, and just to kind of see what we got going on here, it is going to be, it looks like it still wants to tap back in some of these liquidity zones that we got. We got a lot going on in this area, so it makes sense if price is just staying stagnant in here for a bit, because if you guys also notice, we have once again news today at 10 o'clock. Right, we got news at 10 o'clock. Let me go ahead and show you guys the news. So we got news at 10 o'clock a.m. my time. So it's in about an hour. Well, actually, hold on. Not 10 o'clock, sorry. at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock my time, which is in about an hour. Actually 30 minutes, I can say. And we got the Fed speaking. You guys know when the Fed speak, be prepared. They control the market. They definitely control the market. So, we got a lot going on as far as up until within 30 minutes, all the way up until noon. So it will make sense if dollar is going to be playing with people's feelings because all of this right here. You guys see how sometimes your technical analysis can align with the fundamentals of trading. So yeah, I don't know if we will get that push. I don't know which news. I don't know what's going to go on with news. But if we see, I think what's on it with job opening, if we see dollar pushing down a little bit, possibly during when the Feds are speaking, if everything is good and whatnot, we might see dollar heading up. And or if dollar's already going to be heading up at the time being from now up until then, it will kind of make sense for it to get that extra boost once news hit. So yeah, guys, so we are going to be looking for up moves with dollar. Guys, for everybody that's telling me to check something else, I'm not checking nothing else until I check dollar. This is the whole reason why I look at dollar, so I can determine my overall bias with everything else. And then 2, I'm not checking anything until I know that y'all like my video. All right, we got over 200 people, but we don't have over 200 likes. So y'all want me to do something for y'all gotta do something for me. But anyway, yeah, I'm looking on dollar to like head up in a way, right? Dollar's definitely the cheat code for everything else. Again with the finessing, I know, right? So with gold, we finally broke structure to the downside. However, like I said, it depends on what dollar's got going on at this time, because like I said, there's so much liquidity here. We got news happening. I don't know 100% if gold wants to shoot down from this because it dropped this low, or if it wants to act off of this range from here to here. This is all of our midpoint here. I can see it doing that too. I'm more interested in this with gold, but I gotta see what dollar's doing. I gotta see what dollar's doing. You said it would be cool buying dollar. Yeah. I had called out a trade to buy a dollar. I know a lot of brokers don't even require that dollar, or don't even have dollar, but dollar has high spreads. So just keep that in mind, guys. All right, hold on, guys. I had to look at my Discord. So yeah, let's see what the hell is going to go. Let's see what the hell is going to go on with dollar. I mean gold. Nasdaq. I'm looking for Nasdaq to shoot up. I was very interested in a buy earlier, but then I'm like, hold on. It's going to shoot back down. We got to see it retest the structure. We got to see it retest the structure lows. And then these lows right here. Come back to these lows or come back to this area of structure and see. But the crazy thing is, I don't know how powerful. I don't know if Nasdaq wants to shoot here and then kind of consolidate and then head up. We got to see that, because look how aggressive this is right here. That's pretty aggressive. So I would like to see what the heck NASDAQ has planned for us. You know, that's a fact. Who's complaining about, bro, your volume is a bit low? Oh. And boom, there goes NASDAQ. You're currently in the sell for NAS100. Dope. Dope, dope, dope. Yeah, I was looking for that buy, but like I said, I wanted to see this first, and then I'm gonna be looking for some buys. This one just wicked right now. Y'all know NASDAQ like to play with people's feelings, so y'all got to be careful with them wicks. Yeah, I believe I have my mic set up really good for volume. Sometimes I know when I step away from the mic a little bit, it starts to slow down. So y'all just gonna have to turn me up if y'all can. But I am gonna turn the mic up just a tad bit though, cause I do see it's pretty. It's mic check. There we go. Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna do it right there and leave it how it is. All right, guys. So yeah, waiting on NASDAQ to see what is going on. Waiting on NASDAQ to see what is going on. I wanted to see if we had a liquidity phase with gold with dollar right now, but I really don't see nothing besides this right here actually. But actually, hold on, y'all. Yeah, no. You said you can pump. I got a different interface I use. I like got a whole I turned it up though on my end. I got a whole compressor too. Everything dollar's going up, wouldn't NAS be going down? I don't look at dollar to determine NASDAQ. Just gonna tell y'all that right now. I'd rather look at VTI, Vanguard. Yeah, look at this push with NASDAQ, bro. No time for me to get in. All right, hold on, y'all. I'm buying NASDAQ 100 right now. I'm gonna say this is pretty damn tricky trade, but I'm buying it because, like I said, we have a range. Well, actually, I haven't said this to y'all in the live stream, but I did say that I did mention this in the VIP, where this is our move to the upside. We did a liquidity phase. We actually took liquidity highs out first, but if we pay attention to this aspect right here, we did take liquidity out these highs and then these lows next. We tapped into this little POI level right there. And then all of this right here, you guys see the momentum started to shift, change. And then now I'm looking for this to head up. So let's see, NASDAQ's gonna be interesting. This is about to be an interesting trade. And then two, if I was to draw out my Fibonacci, you guys know the two levels I like is my gold mines in between the 27 and the 618. I like to put it resting there. It's kind of where I'm at. And then for TP1, we always got to look for a 1-on-1 to at least try to align with the highs. We kind of like around here. So if you guys look, let me go into 15 minutes so y'all can kind of see it. We got basically all of these highs over here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put my alert on for that. The only thing about this trade is that candle, man, was so big, and it kind of, those type of candles kind of puts me in that unposition. But you know, like I said, we're gonna keep our eyes open on this one and pay attention to it. We also got divergence too. I just got a feeling if we get any crazy drawdown, it might be pretty intense. Because I know how NASDAQ is. All right, let's look at gold. Gold ain't really doing nothing for me right now. Besides that, we got these lows here. We need to break out those and kind of create a range and then pull back and then look for that opportunity. But like I said, with gold, we could be actually going up too. It's just really what dollar's doing. Dollar's in consolidation, and when shit is in consolidation, it's hard for me to tell. It's really hard for me to tell because I can't tell what if we're gonna go up or go down. You know, I'm a scalper. As me being a scalper, that's what I got. Yeah, NASDAQ ain't playing right now, y'all. I'm gonna just let it hit my stop loss if it does. Everything is in consolidation right now. Everything is all in consolidation. Euro is up and away. we got liquidity that we got to break out of euro. So if we could take this out, this is what I'm expecting to happen. Show you guys right now. Come up, come down, and then boom. All right, brother. We'll check your email out. That's okay. So if euro was to break, if euro is to break out of this high to grab all of this liquidity here, I'm expecting it to drop to possibly come take this out, tap into our point of interest, and then boom, shoot up. So let's keep our eyes open. Let's keep our eyes open on that. I want to put an alert here because I'm very interested in this one too. And we'll see what we got going on with that. Oh, I remember this. Yesterday, you guys remember that I was like, hold on. This is no trade that I'm in, by the way, guys. I never caught this out either. But yesterday I did say that I was looking on market to actually tap in here, and then I will be looking for sales. But as we see, there was no sales anyway. So let me remove this because I know somebody's gonna say, "Oh, are you in it?" And I'm not in that at all. But oh shoot, I deleted the wrong thing. But I was looking on down moves, but that bias is done for sure. At least for, I wouldn't say it's completely done because, like I said, we could still be seeing some downward moves. But what I actually do see is that it could still head down for sure. If we tap into British pound, move that out the way. Tap into British pound, I see that we are in the state of consolidation, but long term though, we actually have a overall downtrend long term, and this is just all a pullback. So it's just a matter of when we are going to drop. Basically, we got to wait on these lows to break, and then that's kind of when we have our overall bias. How many pips did I catch this month? Honestly, man, I can't really tell you. We don't really look at the pips. We look at our percentages. Percentages wins over pips. I don't know if somebody here that's been following our streams since day one, can y'all help him out? Omar? Can you help out Omar and kind of get an estimate idea? Yes, I'm trying to see if Solo provides value. Absolutely, man. Well, welcome. Trying to eat off all these gurus. I hope y'all liking this video. Because we got 400 people, but we don't even have 200 likes. Like, come on, y'all. Y'all know what we did yesterday. Y'all know I got very dramatic yesterday about that like button. I don't know if I should do it today, but y'all gonna put me back in that mood. Y'all gonna definitely put me back in that mood. Oh shit, it is shooting up. But let's see though. Y'all know, just because we see it shooting up don't necessarily mean it's gonna actually go in our favor yet. We gotta wait to see it go in our favor first. And if y'all guys aren't subscribed, man, make sure you guys subscribe to the Solo ETV trading channel, because you guys will get so much fire gems. And as you guys see, gold is spiking up. It's spiking up. I was waiting on something like this. Some BS. You said, but this gold trade looks good. Nah, man, just be careful because there is news that did hit too. It was light news, but I'm surprised if this news actually did something crazy. We did have light news at Chicago Hey, Chicago, that's where I'm at. Exactly, Army. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. All right, this is kind of what I see happening now. Hold on. Okay. Guys, it's almost like when you put technical analysis and align it with fundamentals, like news fundamentals, it's almost like predictable in a way where it makes sense. Remember what day was it? Like 2 weeks ago, how NASDAQ was doing the most unrealistic move ever. Like it kept heading down, and you know, news was coming on, and then right when news came on, it did the biggest spike. It always does a lot of spikes. That's just like almost easy to predict, because that's literally how I'm telling you. That's literally what happens. Market will do the most ridiculous play ever, knowing that we see news, and then right when news hit, it actually wants to go in the direction that we know it has to go there. You know. And that's kind of how I'm feeling right now with dollar. But what makes this one a little bit more interesting is that we do got a lot of liquidity here. And usually when there's a lot of liquidity resting somewhere, it's going to really play around in that area until it wants to do what it needs to do. If that makes sense, guys. So, yeah. So there's not really much going on right now besides that we in this NAS trade. If y'all really are scared of all these spikes, y'all can break even, but I'm gonna hold my trade. To stop loss or to TP, honestly. And we're just gonna see what happens from there. I made my decision up when I got in the trade. Nothing's changed. $13 minutes until job opening report. Boom. All this liquidity just grabbed right here. Look at all that. Wait, why is my line white? Oh, there we go. Boom. We took out all that liquidity. Let's take out this liquidity next, and then let's see what happens. Exactly, guys. Y'all got to make sure when y'all get in a trade, stick to your plan. If you already skeptical and you got in a trade and you're like, oh, you know, I'm going to get out, you obviously don't have a plan. Or didn't have a plan before you entered. Right now with gold, I want to get in a trade, but I don't have an actual plan. So if I was to take a trade right now, let's just say I was to take a buy, I would be like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna get out because yeah, look at the wicks, and then I'd be like, you know what, let me sell it. Oh, I'm gonna get out because it's going up now. This is liquidity phase I talk about. Liquidity phase 1, and I was grabbing liquidity here. Looks like it might want to tap into these 2 levels here, and then it might actually do a temporary pull to the upside again, and then possibly come back down. So we shall see, guys. And then we are building up more liquidity with dollar right now. Let's see if we can build any liquidity up here. Yeah, I see. I'm actually looking right at. Okay, so this is like something predictable almost. It's kind of, if we create an equal high here, maybe the news that's happening in a bit will make price spike back up here. If that happens and then it comes back down, starts consolidating, it's kind of like I know what we can expect from here. Yeah, stick to your plan. Don't get greedy and don't fucking just be trading because you want to gamble your money away. Trading is art. It's really science, right? You can look at trading as art or science, however you want to take it. But the moment you treat it like you gambling, that's when you just getting in trades, getting out of trades, getting in trades, getting out of trades, not knowing what your overall plan is. So you got to make sure y'all understand that. Now it's acting like it's over in 20 bucks for 10 years. She's what's the reason for the gold pull? It's news. Yep, thank you, news. You taught me that, Solo. What'd I teach you? Oh, fact. Stick to your plan. Don't get greedy. That's what's up. I like that. I'm glad I can inspire y'all to put in more work and trying to figure out how to really just be a great trader. We're kind of playing the waiting game, the patience game, which I hope we all have here. If not, I hope we're working on it. I need everybody to go ahead and smash this like button. We are already at 400 people watching. That's dope. We might be doing real good today. I don't know if y'all brought y'all families and friends over because yesterday was really good. Like yesterday was actually a really good fucking day. If you were tapped into VIP, we also took another winner with GJ or GU. So technically we had like 3 winners, and then we had one of our educational members called out another trade, and that smashed TP. So it's kind of like 4 trades. Really, I think 5 trades. Because we had another educational call out a trade earlier, but I can't remember. So yesterday was like nothing but winners, literally. So it'd be kind of it would make sense if today would be like, all right, now y'all taking L's today. But like I said, I'm not here to lose money. I'm always here to make money. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. I would love no L's, but but every time I say that, an L happens, literally. So I'm not finna say that. But I would love to have a good day. A good week. Let me not say day. A good week this week. So far this week is good. So far this week is good. Exactly. An L is no issue with good risk management. That is a fact. Yeah, Sway is the one that is an educational member. He called out. Oh, you called out 2 trades. Okay, so there y'all go. Yeah, Sway is like my third eye, man, because me and him trade the identical. Just think of him marking. Just think of me, but if I was on my phone all the time. I can't trade on my phone like he could. I can't. I really can't. I cannot analyze the charts on my phone. It's hard. I wouldn't say it's hard. It's just extra work that I don't have and I don't want to do because I know I can get on my computer and boom. Yeah, man, we got a lot of dope traders in our community. I mean, we got, guys, Fabian, he's our swing trader. We got all the educationals, Mr. Gold King, he calls out wonderful trades. We got Sway. We got even some other educational traders in there that, that's a little quiet right now, but they will be tapping back in soon. And we got people that just came in and people that's also helping out. I mean, we got Mr. Army Piper himself and helping out fucking community and like really fucking crazy ass technical ideas. We got a lot of fucking people in here. I know Agent. I don't know if he's in here. I see him post his charts all the time. in the community. And like I said, man, I know I'm missing a lot more other people too, man. But man, it's a great community, and we all are learning from each other. Solo is going to get me funded. I am. I like to hear that. Is there someone from Chart Prime in the chats today? Yes, there is. Actually, there's, yeah. Solo got me funded yesterday. Oh, shit. Really? That's what's up. Man, hit me on Discord and tell me and send me that testimonial. That's dope. Or Instagram. Solo's going to get me rich. Yes, Chart Prime. Army in the house. Right on. Me and some of my army are in here. Yeah. Also, guys, Patrick also has Chart Prime, and he's been using Chart Prime too. You gotta play the hype music while we are in a trade. I don't know, Jay. I would do that, but nah, nah, I can't do that. That's gonna make it so intense that it's gonna be like overwhelming me. I need calm music when I'm in a trade. I only do intense music when we ain't got my likes up to what I feel like we should have it up to. Which we gotta hit 300 likes, man. News in 4 minutes, y'all. Let's tap into 5 minutes so I can actually see a little bit more. I just see NASDAQ going up, man. I just see it. Somebody said they closed their yen pairs in the VIP. Close my yen pairs. I like to play it safe and wait on for another setup. That is smart. That's smart. Patrick, what you selling? Euro yen is not playing. Let me look at the yen pairs real fast. Let me look at yen. Yen is dropping. So if yen is dropping and pound is going, technically it's going sideways. This kind of tells me that yen is just going to be doing some correction for a bit. Oh, you did sell it. Yeah, brother, you definitely could have waited on that one. I mean, hell, I'm in a buy now, but this is a risky trade. But I feel like every trade I take is risky. And I'm saying this is risky because the news is supposed to be hitting in 1 minute and 30 seconds, really 25 seconds. Get him, Solo. No, I'm not gonna get him. Almost 500 and only 54 likes. Come on, guys. We only got 54 likes. Hold up. What? We got 300 likes. So you was about to really make me stop this for a second. News hit. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh shit. News hit. Let's see what's going on. Mm. Hold on, what the hell? I'm gonna buy on USD and NAS100. Dope. I don't know what happened to my little green. Hey guys, I don't know what happened to my green. What the hell happened to my green dot? My green arrow. Okay, anyway, yeah, we got two news that just hit. We got dollar heading up. We got NASDAQ gold dropping. NASDAQ is heading, still consolidation. And then we got, I wasn't expecting anything from these two pairs though. Just really these, and dollar. Hey Patrick, are you still in that trade? I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I'll tap out. Even though if it goes down and goes in your favor, it's better just to be out the trade and wait on the actual good setup. Like for real. Because believe me, it would be way more calming if you man, your lot sizes is killing me. You did the 8 lot size accidentally, right? And it ended up going in your favor though, right? I remember you said you accidentally did 8 lots and you're supposed to do our mini lot 0.80 lots. I think, right? That was you. Dope. Just imagine that, y'all. You accidentally hit a crazy lot size, but it ended up actually going in your favor. That would be crazy. I accidentally made money I don't know if y'all remember last week. I think it was last week or the week before that, where I accidentally made $1,000. Real facts. I thought I got in a GU trade, but I got in a GJ trade for a buy. Or no, it was a sell. I got in a GU trade for a sell. I was supposed to get a GU trade for a sell, but I accidentally got in a GJ trade for a sell. And I accidentally saying, oh shit, I'm up 1,000. Why am I up 1,000 when I see it was dropping? And then I was like, wow. Fuck, I never made that mistake in so long. That was the most funniest thing ever. Oh, best believe I took that money. That was that one that made that account, that got the account up. It was like $1,100 made. And what's really messed up is GU actually hit our stop loss. But we did came back and took another W. We took a W though, but it was still effed up. I hate that. I hate when that happens though. If anybody had experienced that ever before, it happens to the best of us, believe me. We all have error mistakes. Yeah, we all have some type of error mistakes. A human error, regardless of whatever it is. That happens to us all the time. All right, guys. So yeah, those news had hit, and we see dollars going up. It did, like I said, man. It created liquidity down here. I want to see if it's gonna create more liquidity up here. Let's see. Patrick's the GOAT. What that say? 8 lots is crazy. I'm trying to get like you. 8 lots on NASDAQ. That's what I'm trying to get like. My stop loss for NASDAQ is massive. It's not about how big your stop loss is. It's about what percentage you're risking. Jojo, so if you know that I have this calculator, I just want to show y'all something for people that might have those type of concerns. If you guys look, regardless of whatever your account size is, mine right now is at 13,000. Yeah, my account is at like 13,000. I'm doing a 500. And I'm only looking, let's just say 10%. Let's just do 10%. Right? Indices, index, sorry. NAS100. I'm about to show you guys what lot size you should be doing if you want to risk 10%. So technically, I'm going to do TP1 here first. Oh, wait. We're not shorting it. We're longing it. So it tells you if you want to risk 10% on this trade, you should average. And I always do an average at the least, around it off at the least. So I would do 0.20 lots. But with Hanko trade, think of like, if you guys are familiar with mini, with like, I know a lot of brokers offer mini lots or mini pairs now, or mini indices or whatever. It's almost like you got to double that number up, which would be equivalent to a regular, let's say a regular symbol or regular indice trade. So even if we do 20%, you guys will see you should be doing somewhere around here. If you have a mini lot, you can double that, and then so forth. If you want to risk 2%, it's going to tell you what the amount should be. So for me, I got mine set at so I'm risking about 18% on my trades. Yeah, I know it sounds a little crazy, right? To a lot of people it might. A lot of people it's like, hey, you know what your percentage is, get it. And I do. Man, the account that I have right now is already like risk free. I took my money out, guys. For those that's tapped in, I'm in the process of trying to work on a $4,000 account to $40,000 right now. And right now I came out with 16K profit at this given time. So just to show you guys, let me pull it up. So you just show you guys here, we already had 16K profit total, and I already put in 4,000. I would draw 6,000. It's kind of like this trade is completely risk free, so I could do whatever the fuck I want to do with this trade or with this account. Still, obviously being smart about it. And yeah. Why long NASDAQ? What the fuck? We talked about this. I have some people come in my channel and say, why you just sold this? Why you just brought this? And I say it all the time. Gold is dropping. I do the opposite of what every other trader does. Solo, when you consider a trade to sideways and decide to get out after X minutes or so rule you have, how can I put it? When it's going sideways, it's kind of like I already determine my reaction before I get in the market. I don't really trade a sideways trend. Cause yeah, I never trade a consolidation. I mean, yeah, it might be that it's consolidating, but if you go on a lower scale, it's still like trending, you know? Guys, GU is dropping, so I am looking for some sales once we see the end of this range. I did not catch a gold trade. I did not see a setup for me. I would have been gambling my gold trade right now. A setup is about to happen though, just as well as GU is about to set me up. Yeah, I definitely will go with my setup. But first, you got to make sure you subscribe and like this video if you haven't already. Why I ain't go trade? Tell you right now. I did a standard on a NASDAQ trade, and me doing a standard with any other broker typically is my account will already be like down $5,000. But with Hango trade, my account is only down. Was flickering up and forth, but right now at this moment, me saying this is only down literally 75 bucks. But if I was to do that same trade in any other broker, I'd probably be down like 1,000, where I took my entry, which is not far from what price is at now. And then two, I just like really because of like the spreads is really good. Our dollar is going up because I can tell if GU is just dropping. Yeah, you pay. How that works is whatever exchange you are using, they're going to like Coinbase reports, Cash App reports. If y'all was tapped in my stream yesterday, I had told you guys that my Cash App, when they started showing like how much you brought overall, I think since 2018, I brought over 100K of crypto, and I don't even know where that money came from. Cause I remember I was working very early. And I'm just like, how the hell? I must have did something. I must have been asking families and friends for money or something, cause I don't know. But what it is your taxes would be based off of your actual exchange, or like if you use Binance US or Gemini, I think it is, Coinbase, Cash App. I used to use Cash App, but I stopped. I use Coinbase now and Binance. Bro, we already getting scam accounts of you. Huh? Wait, what do you mean? You just banned two? Where? How? Wait, from where? YouTube? Binance seem to be safer. I could get that. After the whole Coinbase issue. All right, guys. Yeah, we going up. We going up. I also banned a couple. What do y'all mean y'all banned a couple? What's going on? Y'all banned who? I got 2 messages on IG. Oh, they back again? Oh my god. The scammers are back again, y'all. Of you to scam people on Discord. I just banned 2. What? Wait, y'all gotta tell me this. Of course they're not gonna show me. Of course I can't see it because they blocked me. What the fuck? Y'all gotta tell me this. I need all of y'all to send me a to send me those names because I'm gonna have to go on I'm gonna have to go on my community. What is it? The customer service community account. They are going on chart. Hold on, man. Army, send me, please, bro. Send me something, please. Please, bro. Send me something. Y'all NASDAQ trade froze? What? That's a broker thing. My MT4 froze? What? That's a broker thing. Mine's dead too. That's all a broker thing. Mine's ain't freeze. Wait. Who? Patrick and who else said that? If what y'all using? MT4 or MT5? And what broker are y'all using? Cause KOT Forex, iSpring FX, Hugo's Way, IC Markets. I think there's a lot more other ones. I think they all use like the same service. They all use like the same service. So if like something happened, it happened with those brokers. I'm telling y'all, yeah, like. Okay, cool. I'll check it out after I'll check it out after this. No, I'm not from Miami. Yeah, right now Hanko trade is good. I'm not frozen. But I know what y'all talking about, man. I swear. They do that. All right, guys, we got a range from here. We got to wait on this lower high to be formed. Breaks out. That will confirm the bottom range. And then the side here, I see we got some points that looks interesting. Can definitely look for some opportunity. Yeah, I'm still in the trade. It's just things is about to be choppy because the Feds is speaking. And you know when the Feds speak, everybody gets scared. So markets start to go up and go down. Eric, you said for some reason my demo froze, but my live is not. I think they made a mistake with you. They were supposed to freeze your live and not your demo. Yep. That news is coming at what, 12:30? There goes my little arrow. I want to show you guys what I see on a higher scale with GU. You guys see how we got this liquidity here. Boom. It wouldn't be no surprise if we break out of that and then react off of this liquidity zone, this trend right here, and then bounce back to grab this liquidity next and then actually tap down. That would be no surprise. No surprise. So yeah, let's keep our eyes open on GU, because we see dollar still going up. I'm about to smash that TP1 soon. This is about to be another winner if we can get there before news, regardless. Do I ever use the? No, I don't use that. Damn, look at that beautiful ass engulfing candle off the 1 hour. Look, we tapping into my extreme point off of yeah, guys, I'm looking on GJ to shoot down. Okay, I appreciate for somebody for telling me to look at GJ, because I would have been like, damn, we missed out. But nope, we about to catch this one. All right, guys, so this is a beautiful play. This is like a setup that I always want to see. So boom, waiting on this to formicate. Tap in on the 30 seconds. I'm actually feeling confident entering 30 seconds with this one. But I want to wait on these highs to break, let it start tapping into some of these levels here. You guys can look at it as fair value gaps, but I like to get internal with it. And sometimes I can spot like these little settlements in the market, and that's usually where I like to actually yeah, put an alarm. I definitely am. Matter of fact, I don't want to put an alarm yet, but you know what? I just know I'm gonna just add one, just to add one. So yeah, GJ, let me put notes here so y'all know. Maybe y'all can help me out since we got all y'all watching. Let me say around 16.7.50. Right, that's kind of where we at, right? But that's not accurate. I just want to see it break out a high, formicate somewhere in these levels right here. I want to make sure. I don't know when this range is going to end. I like I said, guys, I gotta see when this range is going to end. So when I know when this range is going to end, that's kind of going to tell me everything I need to know about this GJ trade. But until then, yeah, that's what I got going on with that. NASDAQ, it is choppy. Still looking on it to go up. Patience is key. Plan still sits. Dollar is shooting up. We are now going to be pulling back. So if dollar's going up like this, I would love to see what the Fed's got to say. As NAS in a whack off accumulation stage, Gotta look at the bigger scale first. I mean, yeah, how I'm looking at it is that this right here. So when I talk about the liquidity phase, I'm actually referring to the spring or the UTAD or the UT, the up thrust, whatever you guys, you know, if you guys are looking at it towards going upside, right now it's going down. So this will be considered my spring. And this right here is my test. I teach this more to my students actually, but a lot of people don't realize they learned whack off in a way, just a simplified way. You can avoid all that noise. For those that know whack off, I teach it sometimes in my videos, but you got something called, so right here, this could be either your PSY. Right here, this could, up here could be your automatic rally, secondary test, selling climax, secondary test in phase B. Signs of weakness can be all of this up here, and then boom. And then right here, this will be considered your spring, and this will be considered your test. And then market comes back up, does a PSY, last point of supply, or point of support, whatever you guys want to go for. But I just simplify it and say range, pullback midpoint, momentum candles, buy. Like the song in the back right now. What's it called? I don't know. I just got some random playlist playing. Gold is doing its thing. NASDAQ is doing its thing. GU is definitely about to do its thing. GJ, we waiting on it to do its thing. But we're gonna patiently wait on that one. Like I said, guys, the play for this one is, this is my setup right here. So I like to see a liquidity phase run. Seeing that we have equal highs and equal lows right here, equal highs, equal lows. Which way did we go? We went down. I was now looking on it to tap out to this equal high, phase 2. You guys look, we got a bigger range. This is my midpoint. On a smaller projection, this is my extreme. This right here is my gold mine. Now seeing that market on a 5-minute, you know, did a nice little PA pattern, momentum with this engulfing candle. Now I am waiting on a range, which is this little range here, pulling back now, seeing where we can get it to come, looking for more momentum, and then selling it. That's funny. Guys, let me stop. We got to get these likes up. We only at 344, 345, but we got to get these likes up. So, y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I get. When I see everybody's tapped in and they're trying to finesse me. We're not finna do that here. So I'm gonna need everybody that is currently tapped in, that is new to my channel. I mean, all y'all to go ahead and like my stream, like this video. Otherwise, I'm not finna do no more. So until we get those likes up, that's when I'll continue. But until then, I'm chilling. I'll talk to y'all on VIP though. Let's hit 450 likes. $450 likes, guys. I think we can get there. I think we can get there. Y'all gonna learn today. Y'all gonna learn today. Y'all see how we getting this likes up now? Like, this is great. This is great. But we still in at 450. We got to hit 450. 450. And then we going to chill. And we going to look at the market and see what we got. Look at that. Nice. Look. Very simple. All right. There we go. Now we back to our mellow selves. Shot-town in the house. That's correct. Good morning. You from Canada? Nice. Welcome, welcome. With NAS, I'm like I said, it's just consolidating right now. It's about to be playing with everybody's feelings right now. That's why I'm just gonna wait to see what the hell it wants to do. Dollar is going to hit our TP1, guys. So, matter of fact, hey, if you are in dollar right now, I need everybody to get out, because y'all know the spreads are different in every broker. Let me go ahead and post this in the All right, guys, I had to post this. We smashed TP on dollar. All right, Army, I'll see you soon. Y'all accounts are still freezing? But you do see how dollar is holding up. You do see how NASDAQ is holding up, holding its round of just consolidation while dollar is so strong, right? Y'all see how dollar is super strong, but NASDAQ is still holding, right? And if we look at VTI, kind of going sideways too with VTI, but hold on. But if we look at the overall bias, you see VTI is trying to drop. So it's kind of like NASDAQ is holding really strong right now. It's trying to hold its position. So it's kind of like, damn, when the news actually hit for the Feds, I can see a dumb, crazy spike with NASDAQ, possibly towards the upside. You know what I'm saying? Your MT4 is still frozen, or MT5 account. That's a beautiful trade. Jeez. I don't know if any of y'all took that dollar trade I caught in the VIP, but man, I didn't take it because Henkel Trade doesn't have dollar, but Offspring FX does. I just didn't have the time to get in it. I know, right? That's what I needed. Where is dollar available? That depends on your broker for sure. He said, all win trade since 2 days. Congrats, bro. No, I appreciate that. This is definitely a winner right here. This wasn't caught in the live, so I can't put this in the live, but I got to put this as an overall trade. What's going on with GJ? Y'all talking about it? Let's see. Yeah, we waiting on it to tap into our extreme from a range that we're trying to see when this endpoint will end, which we don't know yet. Until it starts to break out this high. Even though I'm an intraday trader, I salute you. You are dope, bro, man. I appreciate that a lot. Thinking NAS might go up. I'm saying I'm with you. That's why I got in it for a buy, because I'm thinking it's going up too. I'm just waiting. Super choppy though. Very choppy. Hold on, y'all. As y'all see, yeah, we still dropping. This is why I said we gotta wait on them highs to break in order for us to know when that range will end. Gonna be a long ass trade. Definitely is. You don't want to do nothing until till the Fed speak. I see with Nasdaq. Yeah, so GJGU, I'm seeing the same reaction um as we just tapped into these. All this liquidity resting here. What is liquidity? It's where there's a lot of money build up. Also seeing support, resistance, order blocks, consolidation, all of that stuff. He said Nasdaq just being Nasdaq. I know, right? GJ still going down. Ain't seeing much happening. Euro yen's going down. Nasdaq still consolidating, but it's going down in consolidation. GPU. Let's see. GU. We still might have some down move with this one because of the dollar. Y'all said something about a buy. Nah. Really with my yen, I'm actually trying to see I'm just trying to determine if and when this range is going to end. Because all it wants to do is drop, 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 drop. How long do I typically stay in a trade? About 15-30 minutes. Oh, that was the sign that dollar finally hit our trading view TP. NASDAQ is still just doing its thing. GU still dropping. And then these two are still dropping. Gold is finally dropping, but I have not yet seen anything interesting for me. Yeah. He just about to head into death cross. What? Dollar ain't playing. I was not expecting it to go this far up until news hit with Fed. So I'm anxious to see what the hell Fed's about to do. Because, man, if that's the case, we might see something amazing with NAS. If it don't stop us out. Yeah, that news that had hit, man, made dollar just increased. That's because we got positive news with what had happened earlier at 10 a.m. Everything is coming back positive, so that's why dollar's going up. Typical news shit. Because right when this happens, watch, something negative's gonna happen. The Fed is gonna say, oh yeah, well, fortunately. And then all you're gonna see is hell. Dollar drop, NAS go up, I don't know. Everything's just gonna be what the hell. We'll see though. It's got a lot of pulling back to do with gold. I won't say too much pulling back because we got our range from this high to that low, and then we got this range from here to there. Yeah, it is safe because I'm not moving it, keeping it where it's at. Because if it hits me, it hits me, and I'll look for another entry. But I'm not gonna keep adjusting it. Like, oh, I'm gonna move it down here. Oh, I'm gonna move it down here. I'm gonna move it down here. Nah, if that's the case, I'm gonna just let it stay here. If it hits it, it hits it, and then I'll look for a re-entry because it's better safe than sorry. Just to, yeah, I used to do that, man. I swear I used to do that so much where I'd be like, oh, let me move my stop loss. Let me move it, man. Let me move it. Let me move it. And it stopped me out on everything. Rather than, you gotta be okay with a L, right? Let it take you out, then try to look for a re-entry. What Solo says is just straight facts, by the way, guys. I appreciate that. Everything's about to be pulling back, though. After this big ass spike, all our other pairs is pulling back. Boom, that's gonna pull. Same thing with GU. And then these GJs, I'm looking on it to pull too. Whew, my God, look at this. It is still dropping. I don't know if it's going to pull back this far out now. We got to look at another new range. Yeah, NASDAQ still doing this little plan thing. See, this, I swear, this is what I talk about. This is what I talked about last time, how a lot of these pairs are doing this rally now before news hit, but right when news hit, it's going to correct itself. Crazy, right? Well, I mean, I'm in NASDAQ, but if it tests me out, I'm not going to get in another trade possibly until after the news because everything is just trying to do is what I like to call it manipulation. I'm trying to spot some manipulation, but it's actually pretty difficult with a lot of these pairs because it did such a big rally. I can't find my equals. Neil, it's at 12:30, I think. No, 1:30. So we got some time. Yeah, 12:30, 12:30. It keeps adjusting my times. It's at 12:30. My time, Central Time. Yeah. You said, man, EJ hit. See, that's that That I swear, this stuff happens when there's like some crazy news that's about to happen. Usually like non-farmer payroll, formatic, or feds. Usually when the feds something big, you get the most outrageous move that just goes left but then goes in your favor. Yeah, that joint dropping. No pullback. It's either rest in peace or congratulations, you just tripled your account. That's the gambling part if y'all trade like that. For earlier entries, that's what's up. Like I said, it's like that's how it always is. It's either rest in peace or I triple my account. It's always like that with trading. Guys, if y'all not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Because we do this every day. Am I out of NAS? Nah, I'm still in it. Well, did we get a win? Yeah, it was actually a trade that wasn't necessarily calling live. I called it out before I went live. It was in the community, and this was the trade I called out. Yeah, shit. If it hits my stop loss, I will be staying. Whenever it hits my stop loss or whenever it hits my TP, I'm staying in the trade. Up another 3%. Thanks, G. That's what's up, Patrick. Wait, what trade did you get in? Oh, was that? Oh, did you get out that NAS trade, or you decided just to still route it through? That's what's up. 3% made. That's fire. Yeah, this dollar ain't playing no game. Guys, at this point, NASDAQ is consolidating. If you want to get out the trade, you can absolutely get out the trade. Because like I said, it's playing with people's emotions. I see everybody's talking about NASDAQ this, NASDAQ that. It's a down, it's going up. That's what I call emotional train of thought. Like I said, I'm holding it just because I'm holding it. I have a mental set rule where if I get in the trade, I let it ride through the TP or let it ride through the stop loss. I don't try to exit it out early, or if there's something that actually changed in my bias, then I would do it. But other than that, that's part of my rule, and I stick by my rules all the time, and it works out beautiful for me. So it's really up to y'all. And yeah, I never get out of trade until it hits stop loss. Because if I start doing that, I'm gonna mentally like change. I'm going to not even realize it. Start doing that a lot. Like, oh, I'm gonna get out. Oh, I'm gonna get out. Like, just let it ride through with no emotions. That's why when I get in the trade, I don't stay on the trade and look analyzing it while I'm in it. Like right now, if it's gonna hit my stop loss, let it fucking hit the stop loss. It's like, just let it hit. And then from there, you just look for another fucking entry. Y'all know how many trades, not saying NASDAQ is gonna do it, but y'all know how many trades where it came 2-4 pips away from my stop loss and then it went in my favor? So like right now, basically we just hit my stop loss. So that trade is left. And then from there, instead of me like, oh, because you got some people that'll do this. They'll move their stop loss, keep moving it, keep moving it. Maybe you got some other people that'll get out the trade early or this and that. And then when it goes in their favor, like, fuck, let me get back in it and so forth. This is what I'm saying. This is an emotional train of thought. It happens all the time. So just stick to, it's just good to stick to what you can stick to. You said it's also good to cut losses. It's, you know, trading is science, man. However y'all want to take it is up to y'all. I just know how much I'm going to lose if it comes completely to my stop loss, and I made that decision before I got in the trade. That's why I'm fine with hitting my stop loss. But I know a lot of people can't think like that, or they don't choose to think like that, and that's fine. There's really no wrong fucking answer in trading. As long as you making money, that's all that matters, right? So that's why I don't really say too much about anything like that. This what happened to you all day yesterday? But I will tell you for sure, man. I do see this NASDAQ buy. Well, we don't need this one no more. I do see this NASDAQ buy though. Yeah, trading is all about patience. I can tell y'all right now, the market is going to be dead until news hit, because if we already got a whole fucking big spike, you said if it enters 480, 485, it will shoot up. What are we talking about? How much you trading with? I have a, well, I started with 4,000. Now we got it to, what? The account is, we got profit of 16,000 right now. So right now I'm trading 13,000 because I withdraw money out to make this account risk free. Forever grateful, solo ETV. I appreciate that. So guys, when I analyze the market, I'm gonna tell you this right now. When I'm analyzing the market myself, I don't put a stop loss in my broker, because if y'all didn't know, a lot of brokers actually will. They do have the leverage to take you out 2 pips, 3 pips. How do they go about doing it? Increasing their spreads. Right. fucking ridiculous, but that's a fact. So I always have my mental bias set on my trading view like this right here, and it's kind of like, all right, we hit it, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? But I promise you, that's real facts, y'all. Or y'all will witness like what a lot of y'all just witnessed. You have something froze where that happened to me before. I can't remember what broke it, but I tried to put a TP, and this was right before news, and I couldn't put a TP, and then it froze for like 2 minutes. After the big spike had happened, I still made money, but if I would have had my fucking TP where I wanted it, I would have been more profitable. But it ended up going in my favor later down the road, but it didn't matter because I got out the trade. That's a fact. Brokers can do that. That's what I'm telling y'all. Feds control this shit. Yeah, they be adjusting them spreads. Wow, like it'd be crazy. Yeah, that's why sometimes I don't trade news because of that reason. I appreciate that, Patrick. I'm just a guy that just learning as I go. I show Kingdom. I'll show my account history again. Might be lack of liquidity on exchanges, but I doubt it. It could be anything at this point. They can come up with 5 million other excuses. We would never get the right answer. We would never get the right answer. Do NAS? What about do we got divergence? Yeah, we do got divergence. So like for instance, guys, this is where I will actually start saying, all right, fuck it, I'm about to break even with this trade. So I'm far from my break even. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. But this is literally where I start saying break even with the trade, because still consolidating a lot. However, we do have divergence happening, but I don't just trade off what I offer stuff like that. I still got to see price momentum to tell me. Loving the stream, second day for me with you. Oh, that's what's up, man. That's what's up. I appreciate that. But somebody asked why I'm buying NAS. So, we had a whole run with liquidity. By the way, I scalp, so I know a lot of people come in here don't really realize what I got going on. I know a lot of people are intraday traders and swing traders, and sometimes they're like really like not against my moves, and that's because I'm not looking at market as an intraday trader or as a swing trader. Otherwise, I would not be doing a lot of trades that a lot of people come on here and say, "Oh, I'm gonna wait," because everybody has their own reasoning for one, and are different traders. I am a true scalper, meaning that I will be on a 30-second, 1 minute. That is 2 minute is my entry. I love 2 minutes, but y'all see we did 30-second entries. This week we didn't really do too much 30-second entries, but 30-second entries is a no-brainer for me. We do those all the time, and I'm in and out. Usually my trade will last 15 minutes, 30 minutes tops, and I'm out. And I could take about 5 to 10 trades a day. But I'm telling you guys the same way that I look at the market, because I used to intraday trade, but I like scalping way more. But I sometimes will call it intraday move. It's the same exact way I look at a scalp move. But with NASDAQ, just overall is we grab liquidity. We end up grabbing all of that right here, this high right there. And I always say before we actually head up, we got to take out the other liquidity, which is these lows here. We finally took it out. Not only we took this out, we tapped into a POI level that I talk about all the time, which is right here. Now that we tapped into that POI level, we wait on structure to break a high, which is all it is here. Finally did. Once it did that, I talk about range. The range is from this high to this low. My extreme is right here. We wait on it to come to extreme, and then we go ahead and look for that signal. Also, for anybody that trades whack off, this is a whack off schematical play too. Spring right there. Why are you not afraid of the huge value? Because I don't trade fair value gaps like how everybody else does. I really don't. Like this all right here. We had, I mean, hold on. I'm going to show you something. I'm trying to remember, where was it at? Yep, here we go. We had a fair value gap right here and never fulfilled it yet. You know, so I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, man. Fortunately, I just have my own way of looking at market. I know what's going on here, but I see this right here. Momentum is what's telling me that we could be buying it now. But we do have news happening. And I really don't know what the fuck to tell you, because news right now is like unpredictable right now because dollar just increased tremendously. And the Feds is speaking, so I kind of want to see what NASDAQ is going to do. I'm kind of getting a spike down and up, and also I'm getting more up. So did I get out of NAS? No, I'm still in it. It ain't come to my break even yet. My break even is it ain't come there yet. Where do I go from news? Pretty much just the overall trend. For instance, like right now, dollar is heading up now finally. But before it was in this tight consolidation because of so much liquidity was built up inside here. You said I traded fair value gaps, but price definitely don't react to those. It react to the order blocks, right? So one thing about fair value gaps like that I was finding is that inside those fair value gaps is actually a little reaction like that, and that's that midpoint and that extreme that I talk about all the time. This is why I had purchased the premium package with Trading View, so I can look in 30 seconds. So like. Let's see. Where's that fair value gap y'all was talking about? Y'all gonna not let me go there? No, we can't go that far back, unfortunately. Yeah, we can't go that far back. They like, nah, bro, you good. But yeah, I can see that shit sometimes in a 1 minute, 30 seconds. That little move right there is the move that it will actually hit. Technically, when I do stop losses, I like to have it below all of these areas just in case something like this happen. That's how I always have my stop loss. Show us the two indicators you use. Well, it's all market oracle and some indicators I've been developing myself. As you guys see, I got something called the solo MA indicator. Right now it's in process, so I'm not gonna really show that yet. I also got another indicator called the solo. It kind of shows you a range and so forth, but it's super early stage right now. And then I got the market oracle. We talk about that all the time with Chart Prime. And then I have the isolator down here that you really can't see because of my notes. So yeah. Can't wait for them to drop. Yeah, it's about to be lit. Just in development stage right now. Still doing major back testing with it. It's literally my strategy, but I'm trying to put it in fucking coding, right? So yeah, it's in super early stage right now. I don't know when I'll have it out yet, but I'm looking to have it out by next year. Yeah, it's gonna be dope because it's gonna show you like the range, the most accurate range, and then I'm also trying to get it to spot my two other confirmations, which is the momentum. But I'm not trying to have it just look at it as like a candlestick. I'm trying to have a look at it as like all of this being momentum flow and all of this being a momentum zone and making this decision off that. It's gonna be lit. If I need somebody to test it, put me on the list for sure, man. For sure, I'll definitely hit you up. I'm actually gonna have anybody that's in the VIP test it out for me too. Only thing I see really moving right now is gold. It's almost kind of like if we come here, I want to see what happens actually. Doing this drop. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be breaking even with one of my trades of Nasdaq and still around the other one. Is the streaming frozen? No, you might have to reset. Oh, well, you probably don't even hear me. What's going on, honey? Euro USD. No, I'm not really looking at that one right now. So remember what I said earlier, guys, that we grab liquidity here, and also we created even more liquidity here. So what I do see and would like to see actually is market boom, 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 coming, taking out this liquidity and then dropping. I promise you that's how I see it. Gold did this yesterday as projected, and I'm looking on GU to do this exact same play. So here, let me, because we're gonna take out this liquidity here, as well as we just took this one out. So hold on, guys, let me post something. By the way, guys, if y'all are not tapped in the VIP or tapped in the community in general, need everybody to go ahead and join right now. I just shared the link. Need everybody to go ahead and join. This is your chance to you can definitely hop in for free, of course. Looking at it is a drop, but we first must take out the liquidity highs I marked up. Yeah, that's my markup for the. Thanks, nice trade. For which one we talking about? The best community period. I appreciate that. Could have bagged at 1 to 5 on GU, but got stopped out at break even before it tanked. Oh, that's what's up. You ain't losing anything. What I'm doing with gold right now, waiting on it to tap into, I would say my midpoint, like around 1756 ish. Anything on US 30? Not right now. Nah, UJ ain't doing that right now. They all, nah, they ain't doing that right now. I'm taking my NASDAQ I'm talking about NASDAQ. My entry was much lower, and now I'm in profit. Some good. I feel like there's gonna be some good setups around Asian session. The VIP is $50 a month, or you can do the $10. I looked for a long-term sell on what, US 30. Okay. Yeah, if this would make sense. This nice little tray right here. I love when my fibs align perfectly with my my POI levels. Have I ever been angry on myself because you made profit and the price kept going up? Nope. Used to, yeah. Yeah. Used to. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, not anymore. Yeah, we're gonna be going live VIP though tonight. Money is happy. Yeah, you definitely gotta be happy with that. That's the greed right there. The VIP is worth it. Good people, great trade setups. Yes, indeed. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna break even with one of my trades. I'm gonna let my other trade ride. 6:30 is when we gonna go central. Around that time, we're gonna do it on Discord. I like trading midweek. It's the best week for me to trade, in my opinion. Wednesday is my favorite day to trade. Cause it's like Monday and Tuesday was all nothing but manipulation and BS, while Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday should be actually the way it should be going, like what's happening with dollar right now. All of this was BS, and I didn't know if we were going to keep going down, but now it confirmed that, yep, we're going to be heading up now for the rest of the week. That's why I love Wednesdays. It's kind of like the midweek of what's going to happen for the remaining of the week. Yeah, so with my account, this is kind of my history. All of these trades is kind of what we took overall in live. You know, the community definitely been on fire this week. Everybody's been calling out, from all educational members, from everybody in general. They've been calling out a lot of great trades. The end of the month too. It's the end of the month and we still calling out trades. Fire trades at that. All right, this GJ trader that I got, I just realized that. I'm not really interested in Bitcoin right now. So guys, from here with GBPUSD, I'm pretty sure there can be some nice buying setups until it comes to this liquidity high. Why I look at dollar first? Dollar tells me pretty much what's going on with my other pairs. You said 5-star. I don't know how you say it. Is it 5-star or is it just Star Films? Man, trading shit is not for me. Man, brother, it's simple. You just got to make it simple. Let me ask you, do you have a trading plan? I do stream, yes, every day. Just not on Fridays. Sometimes it's a hit or miss. For a Sunday though. Sometimes you might just see me randomly, hey, I'm gonna go live. Damn, I can't even. Fuck it. Said, bro, doing my first trade ever, already $20 profit because of you. Wow, I appreciate that. That's what's up, man. Like hearing that. Like hearing that. He said, no, I think I do, but I really don't. That's your problem right there, Films. You need a trading plan. This is not my beat. NASDAQ on a comeback tour. Yes, I bet it is. It is actually. Shit, we just broke even with my one trade. I'm riding another trade. So, yep. Says, please explain. You always trade with the current flow. Yes, I do. But yes, I do. Sometimes I'm saying but because sometimes you might catch me counter trend trade, but it's because I know that what's going on, you know. Yeah, I did a lot of self-taught trading with them for myself. Yeah, you got to be absolutely sure with your plan. If you don't know, you really should not be trading live, or just, yeah, you really shouldn't be trading until you get that trading plan. Only thing with a demo account don't teach you is how to handle your mental, and that's 80% of trading, in my opinion. But when you guys trade demos, this is for everybody that trades a demo account. The moment y'all trade a live account, that's because demo does not teach you mental. It does not. So what I used to do was this. This is why I invested over 100K since 2018. I used to always put very small amounts in my account, $100, $50, until I got to the point where that right there was teaching me patience, teaching me true value of learning my mental, handling my mental. It was teaching me all of that. And then I got to the point where I was flipping $100 accounts like it's nothing. I mean, I got like 4 videos, guys. I started YouTube 2 years ago, I guess. Apparently that's what they said. And if you were to go all the way back, you probably see one video I did like, I think 600 to 10,000. I did 100 to 1,000, 100 to 2,000, and it got to the point where it's like, all right, cool. Now I'm learning about the mental set and all of that. But the demo don't teach you that shit. It don't. It should only build your strategy up. Demo's not gonna teach you that, and I don't care what y'all say. Demo just can't really teach you that because it's not real money. At the end of the day, you know in the back of your head, if the trade goes left, it just goes left. And you're like, fuck it. But if it's a $20 account and it's your own money, or $100 account is your own money, I promise you, your whole bias is going to change. You're going to be like right now, if you were trading demo account right now and holding this trade, you would have not minded. You would have just let it be. But if you had real money, you probably would have already got out the trade. And now you seeing it going up, and now you're like, fuck, I should have stayed in it. That little thing right there matters the most, and that's what I'm talking about. So if for anybody here that trades demo and you're thinking that your demo is going to teach you how to really trade, is not. Because the demo only teaches you how to build your strategy, how to look for reaction, how to see reaction, but it doesn't teach you this. So for everybody that has a demo, I really need y'all to make sure y'all can put like little $20, $10 account, live account, and just try to control your emotions. Only way you can control your emotions is once you have your trading plan. So build your trading plan first, and then start your small, whatever's small to you. $1,000 if it's small to you, cool. $10, cool. Just small amount, and then you grow it, and you work on it from there. And that's how you guys really become a profitable, successful trader. Because I see it all the time. People say, damn, I'm on my demo account. Right when I trade live, my trades always goes left. They think it's the broker. They think it's this. Nah, it's your mental. You don't know it, but it's your mental. I'm telling y'all, it's your mental. It's not the broker, it's your mental. Because that little thing that I just said right there, you probably didn't even realize that. You gotta lose real money and to know. It's like you gotta fail in order to succeed. Basically, fear, for just how you look at fear is, you know something's gonna go wrong, but if you keep practicing that, it's gonna become second nature to you. So like me, I lost so much money, it's like, fuck, if I lose it, I lose it. And it's just kind of like, I'm emotionally drained of losing money. And it's kind of like, whatever happens, it just happened. But I know what I'm getting myself into. Right, trial and error. It takes special type of person to be able to trade demo as a real. It does, but yeah, it does. But I promise you, no matter how you look at it and think of it, is not going to be the same. Nah, it is the broker. The broker do be doing some shit, but that is a fact. But it is more your mental though. Like, I took a demo way up and then thought, yeah, I got this. Then I tried to start, then boom, account gone. Thank you for expressing that with everybody, because yes, that's exactly what I was saying. Second day tapping in, just double my $100 account. Thanks, David. Wow, wonderful. Trading in the zone. I gotta still read the book. I got it. I just haven't read it yet. I'm trying to finish up this other book. NASDAQ 100 is going up. We did take profit out of one trade, but I am riding the other trade. I'm gonna just let this one play through, and see what the fuck happens. So here's this. I took the profit out that one trade, making it $40. I'm gonna just ride this one and see what we can get. But yeah, I'm riding the NASDAQ trade still. I'm riding one of it. The other one I got out. Reason why I'm got out once, because I'm gonna look for another entry when it pulls back to a midpoint or extreme whenever this range is done, and then boom. But I'm gonna enter with a smaller lot size just because of news. So much mental involved, it's hard to master. Right, that's something that nobody can teach, because we all come from different backgrounds, different ways that we look at life, and all of that matters in trading. And we just can't teach you that. It's something you got to learn yourself. What we could teach you is the rules, the strategies, and all that. But like I said, I could tell everybody my strategy from A to Z. I can give I'm not gonna give everybody $1,000, but I'm just saying we all got $1,000 in our account, real money, and I promise you, we are all walking out. When we all trade at the same time too, meaning that we all gonna be from New York session, beginning and ending on New York session and London session, and I promise you, we all gonna come with different amounts because it's our mental. And right too, everybody's gonna have their own risk management strategy. But what I'm saying is, let me say this. Let me say that I give everybody the same risk management strategy. I would say everybody only risk 2%. Only look for this and that. It's going to still be different because at the end of the day, what's controlling you to click that button is your mind, is your conscience. That's your mental right there that I talk about. I thought we already fulfilled our gap. We fulfilled that gap already on NASDAQ. Did we not? Yeah, we fulfilled it right there with this one. That gap is over with. Yeah, NASDAQ looking good. NASDAQ is looking good. No one has born more accounts than me. And challenges. We got 4 years in this bit. I'm pretty sure, man, somebody here is up there with you. Shit, I might be up there with you, man. I used to blow so many accounts, man. So fucking many accounts. But they were small accounts. I don't care, but I was just blown a lot. If y'all got out of this trade at break even, cool. I'm gonna actually put this as a break even trade too. Just because that's what I stated. But I am riding the other trade out, so and I still made some profit. I would rather make some than lose some. Yeah, I used to always do $100 flips, and I got tired. I'm tired of doing $100 flips. So like even $1,000 flips. So yeah. Break even on NAS is wherever your entry is at. I know there's a delay on YouTube, so wherever you had entered based off of when I said I had entered. I just know it is tapping everybody's entry point right now. So for anybody that got in this, like I said, it's up to you. You do what you do at your own risk. I'm telling you what I did. I took my first trade at break even. I'm still in my other trade, and that's what I got. Oh, you only lost $2,000 in trading in 2 years? That's nothing. Because there's so many people that lost their entire life. You know what? Let me not say that, bro. I'm wrong for saying that because that could be your entire, savings too. What I'm basically trying to say is that some people would fuck, bro. They would lose money they don't even have. That was me. I remember, man, I asked for some money to trade their account, and I asked for some money, and I blew that. Goodness gracious, man. I used to just be asking people for money, like, oh, let me borrow $500. I'll pay you back in a week. In a week. They were like, where my 500? I blew it. I'm going to have to pay you my paycheck now. My little baby paycheck. Yeah, man, I was the same way. I was like gambling. FTMO is actually what got me to where I'm at now as far as risk management. Really the funded challenge. Just prop firms in general. I never understood what 5% really meant, what 12% really meant overall. I never understood none of that until I took my very first FTMO challenge and fucking failed it because I was like, yeah, okay. Did it again. Failed it. I was like, all right, man. And then this time I was like, let me reconfigure my strategy. Did it again. I failed it. And I was like, you know what? Something ain't right. What is it? So I literally sat down there wrote the trading plan that I show you guys now. For a lot of you guys that's been following me, y'all see my trading plan probably already. I sat there, wrote my fucking trading plan, and guess what? I fucking passed it, and then I lost it. But what I'm getting at the end of the day is, I literally had to sit down there and write something where I never thought I would have to do something like that just to be fucking successful. It's writing a plan down. It's like starting your own business. Write a fucking plan down. Crazy, right? A lot of us would just be like, fuck that, we ain't doing that. Can we see the trading plan again, please? Kingdom, you probably never even seen it. I like how you finessing me right now. I'm playing with you. I'm gonna show it my next stream though. He spent maybe 10K on funded accounts before I got my first one. Damn. That's what's up. Guys, I see a I might be seeing some GBPUSD buys soon. If this can continue to drop into some of these levels, maybe here. Don't see it coming in this far down, but the Feds are speaking. Who knows what the hell could happen? You say you got in it. You know what? Just because Euro USD is something I still trade, I know it's doing the same shit everything else is. It's just been sideways trending. That's why I haven't been paying attention to it. Yeah, it's not really doing anything. Norman, you said, why is it that you get trading plan, you get trading strategy, and it works back testing, apply on a real account, but mostly works 2 to 3. What? 2 to 3 wins? I don't know what you're saying right there. It's all mental though. Your trading plan should have all the things from risk management to your rules and to your strategy, and you can even throw your pairs in there too. But my risk management strategy that I have, or let me say my risk to reward strategy I have, is crazy. It's crazy. It's like if you stick to just my risk management strategy, but everything else is shitty, you actually be profitable. Because my risk management strategy is as simple as I should tell you guys all the time. Like yesterday was a great example where once it hits TP1, I don't care what you guys do, make that trade risk free. Risk free can be anything from taking all profit, of course, or it can be taking half of it, or it can be, if you got in multiple trades, taking out one and moving the stop loss to break even and then riding TP2. This is how you compound your accounts. Basically, I have a really crazy compounding strategy. And this is my compounding strategy I do. And then if the trade goes left, you ain't lose anything. You still made money because they already tapped your TP1. Or it just cannot break even. That's a great question. I would say when it comes to hunting your stop loss, you just, like I said, for me personally, I don't put a stop loss unless I'm away from the charts. But I like to always put my stop loss resting a couple pips away from the low. You started trading NAS because of me. That's what's up. Right. What Patrick said, though, never move your stop loss. Stick to your risk management. Right. So if you already got in a trade, like right now I did, my stop loss mentally was all here. If we would have hit it, I would have just left it fucking alone and got out. But if you would have been like, oh, you know what? Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do that. That's what you don't want to do. Agent, what's going on, brother? GJ, no, we didn't trade GJ. I'm actually waiting on it to start coming back into some of these levels. I know GJ ain't gonna be real effective with the Fed speaking, so these two ain't gonna really be much effective with it. So I would not mind trading these. Midpoint. Who has not joined the Discord that we have? Anybody here that has not joined our Discord yet? Let me know. I can reshare the link. I need all y'all to tap into it right now. Agent, you said it's crazy how I learned so much in 1 month trading. Wow. You know what's crazy, man? Like, that's the thing about trading, man. Like, it could take you a couple weeks to learn and you could be real good at it. Trading is not hard at all. Y'all got to know that, man. The only hard part of it is the mental part. I shared the link in the chat. Now I'll share it one more time. Sean, you said your first week here is fire. Dope, man. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. That's what's up. Make sure y'all, send this to y'all family, friends, and let them know, like, hey, we turning up in the solo network community. We turning up in the solo network community. He said you got more out of solo for free than what I pay for 1,500 for. crazy. Yeah, I'm still holding NASDAQ on my with one trade. I'm still holding it. I did a break even with my other one though. Yeah, NASDAQ been down. For the whole 2 hours we've been live, it's just been choppy. We supposed to see that spike. Let's see, which do I have that at? Okay. So yeah, guys, so this is what we got going on. NASDAQ, we're going to be waiting. I'm holding one of my trades out. Gold, I'm actually still waiting on it to tap into my POI level. All right. And then with GU, I want to see some buys later down the road, but I'm going to be waiting after the news. So it's not really much I'm going to be doing until the news hit. All right, guys. So that being said, I'm going to tap out, man. I'm going to tap out for the day. We live again tomorrow. We got one win, one break even, and we're still riding the NASDAQ. I'm still riding the NASDAQ trade. The one win was with dollar. I called it out earlier, but this wasn't a live trade. Really, the live trade that we did was only NASDAQ right now, and that's what the break even trade was for the day. So, yeah, it's just the news. We got some powerful news coming on later, and we're just going to tap into that. But yeah, guys, once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. And everybody in VIP, I'm going to see y'all later. And y'all take care, man. Peace.
Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. The way I'm balling, girls falling now. I'm Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord trying to find me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm back again, man, they gotta feel him. Michael Myers style, I gotta kill him. Groupies want the work and I'ma drill him. I'm walking through the hood cause I'm a real one. Man, I gotta stun hard. All the game, pull up out the backyard. And I never sold the cocoa. But I don't need it cause, man, my money loco. Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. The way I'm balling, girls falling now. I'm Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord trying to find me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm a soldier boy, let your girl tell him. And y'all ain't got no soul, I think I sell him. I'ma buy a couple, yeah, so I can sell him. And if I put you to the test, I bet you fail him. I'm all about the cash now. The girl all on me, she showing me her ass now. Stripper. And I'm swimming through the cash now. Then your favorite rapper trash now. Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. The way I'm balling, girls falling now. I'm Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. The way I started from the bottom, now I'm Jordan Belfort. Your girl wanna do me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. The Lord trying to find me now, I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. I'm the woof, 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 now I'm Jordan Belfort. Air Force One, nigga, I'm so fly. I'ma take your Cause I'm a hitter, then I leave a tell